Hello guys, welcome to my channel Your Fusion Street, and today I am going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Illustrator. Using pen tool in Illustrator is very easy, and I'm going to show you that today. So as you can see that I have a leaf already drawn on my artboard, and I made this with the help of the pen tool. So I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool by recreating this leaf again, and it's very easy guys. Just follow the simple instructions and I'm sure you will be easily, and I'm sure that you can like create anything and everything you want. So let's just get started and not waste time anymore. So here we have the pen tool in our toolbar. So once you click on the pen tool, you see that along with the pen tool we have 3-4 other tools which I will come next and explain you. But here you see that there's this option, there's a small arrow over here. So if you just go ahead and leave your mouse button over here, you see this entire stack coming off. So you can easily now take the tools and use them in turns. Now see that we already have a fill color over here. So before we draw, it is always important that you switch off the fill color, because what happens is when you draw like this with the fill color on, the drawing starts getting covered by the fill color, and it becomes really difficult when you're drawing complex shapes. So for that reason it's important that you switch this off for the drawing, and after you complete your drawing you can put in your color, fill color, gradient, whatever you wish. So right now we'll select the fill color and switch it by clicking on the none block box from here, or from here we have this option of the color box, so we can switch it off. But it is always important to keep your stroke color on, or else you won't be able to see what you're drawing. Many a times it happens that you're drawing and then when you just deselect it, you see that there is nothing, but there is the drawing, but maybe you didn't give the stroke color. So let's get started guys. So if I want to draw the leaf, I will be going like this and coming back and meeting the end point like that. So first point is this, and the second is a curve. So when you draw a curve, so first point you do not click and drag. First point is just one click, and the second point is click and drag if you need a curve. If you are drawing a straight line like this, you can just simply click and make a straight line out of it, like this, or like this, or like this. But if you're drawing a curve, you have to click and you do not leave your mouse button, and you just simply drag it upwards or downwards to create the curve you need. So here we need an upward curve, so we will be dragging our mouse button on the downward side and a little bit diagonal to give it a little bulge, sliding bulge. So this is good enough. And then it is very important to cut one of the handles. So here you have the anchor point and it has 2 nodes. So each anchor point has 2 nodes, but when you're drawing using the pen tool, it's important that you have to remove one node. So you just need to simply give a small click on the anchor point and one of them just gets cleared out. Why you do this? Because in the next step, if you do not remove this handle and you go and make another curve, it will completely distort your shape. So to get the perfect shape, it's important to remove one of the handle. So now go ahead and click and create another, like so, and then again we click and remove one of the handles. And now I can complete this by directly clicking on here and dragging it. But if you are not confident enough, you can break this into 2 parts and connect it, but I would suggest the lesser parts you make, the better your drawing is. So it is better to like simply click on this and drag, because it can be done easily like this instead of going once here and again here. It's easier to complete it this way. So here our entire shape is complete, and now if you feel you want to make it a little bit smoother, you can use the smooth tool, of course, and you can make it a little bit smoother. And now you can apply the color of your choice. So let's just take the eyedropper tool and apply it. So here we have another leaf ready for us, and this is how you use pen tool, guys. It is very easy to use the pen tool, and you can draw anything and everything with the help of pen tool. Just practicing this for a few times. If you want, you can just lock some pictures and draw over some pictures just to give it a good practice, like what we call is tracing. We know that when we are young and we're starting to draw, we sometimes do trace objects to get, you know, the hang of it. So you can do that as well. And another thing is there are a few more tools here in along with the pen tool. So let's see what they do. So basically what they do is, let's first create a curve or something like that. If we have a line like that and we have this add anchor point tool, we can add here and we can add another anchor point by just clicking here with this add anchor point tool, guys. So this is the add anchor point tool, and this helps you to add on the anchor points on your strokes or on your lines. So here we click and see we have another new anchor point here, and maybe I don't wish to keep this or this, so I want to remove an anchor point. So in that case we need this subtract anchor point tool, guys. So just click on the anchor point which you don't need with this tool, and then it will just disappear, it will just go. And yes, of course, it will change the shape because the anchor point is no more there, so you need to fix that. And then we have this anchor point tool which helps you to, you know, play around with the curves. It doesn't let you change the position of the anchor point, but it helps you to change the curve of your anchor point. Like you can do like this, you know, you can change the shape, you can play around with the curve with the anchor point, but you cannot change the placement like the one we can do with our direct selection. So this is all, guys. It's very easy, it's very easy to use your pen tool and draw stuff. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you really find this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and share it with the people who need it. Thank you.